guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I have the new Clarity Cosmetics Oasis palette. Blue lovers, this palette is going to be for you. Let's take a peek inside this 10 pan palette. You do get a full-size mirror and you have an even mixture of matte and foiled shimmer shadows. This palette is available right now on the Clarity Cosmetics website. It retails for $40. I do have an affiliate code. I believe my new affiliate code is Steff10. But whatever it is, it'll be down here and that will save you 10% off of your order. There is also a mystery palette that's going to be released really soon and they sent that one to me in PR. I bought this one myself, but they sent me the other one. So you're going to be seeing another Clarity Cosmetics video go up really soon here on my channel. If it is your first time watching my channel, let me just welcome all of you. Hello, my name is Steph. I love trying out new makeup, especially new indie makeup. I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, get ready with me style of videos. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Clarity Cosmetics, maybe you've never tried the brand and you're just really curious, please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. All the makeup that I'll be wearing, using, talking about in today's video will be linked and listed in the description box. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, thank you guys so much for supporting me on my channel. I just want to note that these are going to be 2 complete looks. So I'm going to do one look today so I can head out the door, go to work, and then tomorrow morning I'm going to sit down and create another one. But in real time for you guys, it's just going to be a few minutes. If you guys want to see this new Oasis palette from Clarity Cosmetics in action, keep on watching. Now I've already primed my eyelids with my Beauty Bay eyeshadow primer, and in case I get to mention it, I'm using a liquid lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Pillow Talk. I always seem to forget to put what lipstick I'm wearing. But I'm wearing a very colorful dress today that does have blue and red, yellow, green, white, everything. So anything I do with this palette is definitely going to go. Now, I think I'm going to start first with the shade in the crease. And then I'm going to work into, I know these 2 shades, they look so similar. Let's see. There they are. One is definitely lighter than the other. I think I'm going to go into the shade second and then the shade third. So I'm taking my Game Beauty E01 with the shade Tide Pool. Let me make sure I'm in the center here. And we're going to put that in the transition area and bring it up a bit towards the brow bone. I did zoom in more than I usually do, so hopefully this is a bit more helpful when seeing how the shadows blend and perform. If you still want me to zoom in more, I can. Some of you have said it's weird if you can't like see my full face, and then some of you are like, no, I want to just see the eye. If you guys watch Millie from Bad to the Brow, I like her little quick tutorials and how she's just showing one eye, but I don't know if that's necessarily what you guys want to see on my channel. Like if that's not really my thing, but I mean, if you want me to zoom in closer, I can. Just let me know in the comments. Now in a BK211, I'm taking that shade Teal Me, which is the very first one in the palette. And you'll notice I'm going to focus this in the crease. Now on a Rephr 13, I'm going to go in with the deepest shade in the palette called Blew Me Away. And I'm going to focus that right out here. Now let's see about which shimmers we're going to play with. I definitely want to do 2 of them. I think I'm going to start with a deeper one here, and then I think I'm going to go into this one. So Sapphire first, and then I See Right Blue You. That's the thing with Clarity Cosmetics. They always have the cutest shade names. I'm taking this on a damp Morphe M124. I guess it doesn't matter which eye I start with. They're both going to be the same. I'm so used to just doing one at a time. Clarity has some amazing shimmers, multi-chromes, duochromes, but these are more foiled shadows. And it's beautiful. Same brush, I just flipped it over and sprayed for that second shade. That is beautiful. Wow. Very little fallout. Okay, now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Peacock on my Beach Cosmetics pencil brush. And then I think I'm going to do the same shade that I did in the inner corner. I'm just going to drag it down a bit. All right, guys, I am going to pop off camera to take care of finishing touches, and I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 1 with the Oasis palette from Clarity Cosmetics. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 1. I love the way this look turned out. I'm using some Moira black eyeliner for the top lash line, and in the lower waterline, I'm using a ColourPop cream gel liner. This one is in the shade Crystal Crush. The mascara I'll be using in today's video is the latest from e.l.f. and it is their Lash Extender Mascara. I love this look. Today that I'm filming is Administrative Professionals Day. So if you are one of those people, happy day. Hope you have a great day, but thank you so much for everything that you do in order to help your business, your institution, whatever it is, thrive, because Lord knows we would be lost without our amazing admin support team. So thank you guys so much. We're going to a luncheon today to celebrate. So that's why just one look for today, but I'll be right back. It'll be tomorrow for me, but a couple seconds for you with the second look using Oasis from Clarity Cosmetics. All right, guys, so let's start working on the second look. I learned from yesterday that you're gonna need a glitter primer with this because I got quite a bit of fallout by the time I had gotten home. I had like blue sparkle all right here. So today I'm definitely gonna dig into my NYX glitter primer. So let's see, I have not used this shade here. And Peacock, did I use Peacock? I feel like I didn't. I know for sure I didn't use this beautiful blue. And then I did not use Blue Moon down here. So I definitely want to work with those shades today. And what I think I'm going to do is do these two mattes in the crease. And then we'll take the look from there, but definitely going to use Blue Diamond today. That one looks just like the Give by Gwen Stefani Bathwater eyeliner. So I think that is all going to tie together really nicely. I'm going to use my BK212 for the first shade called Cenote. Now on a Sigma E45, I'm going in with the shade Peacock. I'm just going to focus that in the crease and also on the outer corner. Okay, so I'm loving the blend that I'm getting. I have like a little nick over here. I did that last night, so if it doesn't look totally blended there, that's why. That's on me, but I did the best that I could. Now we're going to go into the shade called Blue Diamond. I'm using my damp Morphe M124. I was supposed to put glitter glue. You know what? Let me do one eye with glitter glue and one eye without. Let's see, with just spraying, and let's see what happens. Oh no. Maybe, you know what? I'm going to do a lighter shade in the center so I can put glitter glue on that. I'm just so used to using my damp brush. It's so pretty though, but look, you can see the fallout. All right, so now I have the NYX glitter primer. Just gonna squeeze some out, and I'm just gonna do this with my finger and apply it right here to the center. And I'm gonna pick up the shade Blue Moon. Look at how beautiful that is. All right, now let's do something for the lower lash line. I I think the only shade I haven't used is Beautiful right here. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a combination of Cenote and this one, and Beautiful for the lower lash line. And I'm taking Cenote on a Rephr 03. I'm gonna bring that all the way through. Now I'm taking the shade Beautiful on a damp Rephr 03. And I'm just focusing that right here in the inner half. Very, very nice. I think, though, I need to deepen up the outer portion. So I'm going to go in with Peacock, which is the darker shade I used up at the top. There we go. All right, guys, I'm going to pop off camera to take care of the finishing touches. Going to go fix my hair, get myself ready for work. And I will be right back to show you guys this completed look number 2. All right, guys, so here is the completed look. Same everything as I did in the first look, with the exception of the lower waterline. That, of course, is Give by Gwen Stefani. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video, and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts on the Oasis palette from Clarity Cosmetics. Okay, guys, so I officially used all of the shades in the Oasis palette. I think it's a beautiful blue-toned palette. You're gonna get some lighter blues in here, and you're gonna get more like teal blues in here. You do get like this true blue, like the shade of the Give by Gwen Stefani eyeliner that I have in the lower waterline, but the rest are gonna be more teal based. Definitely a glitter primer. I will let you guys know in a pinned comment how this wears today, but yesterday I got home and I had blue shimmer all right here, but the looks still look great. Like, it really did still look good minus that mishap. But let's hope today is a better day. I have an event after work, so I need this makeup to hold up, gosh, for like 14 or 15 hours today. It's going to be a long day. But other than that, guys, it's available now on their website. Clarity has some of the best palettes. Like, they have such a good formula. And if you want to save a little bit of money, my affiliate code Steff10 will help you save 10% off. Let me know your thoughts. Which look was your favorite? Team 1, Team 2? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.